The question, how much sulfur trioxide is required to make 75 gram of sulfuric acid? Am I clear? Again, I'm telling how much sulfur trioxide is required for making 75 gram of sulfuric acid. Oh, 75 gram. I mean, the mass of sulfuric acid is given. Instantly, in your brain, storm should be raised up. Oh, I know the mass number of molar mass of sulfuric acid. From the periodic table, using the periodic table, hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 32, and 4 oxygen is equal to 48. So after addition, we will get, that is 98. So the given mass of 75 has to be divided by 98, and you will get numbers of moles. What is the numbers of moles? 0.762. This is live uncut video. Okay, so this 70.762, this is the numbers of moles. As you are watching, this proportion and this proportion same. Are you watching? This is 1 and this is 1. Hey, in the equation, if it is given 2, 3, 5, you will have to believe this is different proportion. No, the proportion 1:1. So as this has been found 0.762, so naturally the numbers of moles of sulfur trioxide also will become 0.762. Am I not clear? I mean, these and this proportion are same. As this is 0.762, so these also will become 762. Hey, actually, this is the game of pyramid. Have you forgotten the game of pyramid? The pyramid is like this. The mass is equal to numbers of moles into molar mass. Either in physics or in chemistry, you have to boss in pyramid. Mass is equal to numbers of moles into molar mass. Hey, in the left part, as you have got numbers of moles is 0.762. Again, hey, what is the molar mass of sulfur trioxide? Just go to the periodic table. Sulfur is 32 and 3 oxygen is 48. 16 3s are 48. So 32 plus 48, you will get 80. Hey, 80. Are you watching? 80. Sulfur trioxide mass, molar mass of sulfur trioxide is 80. So these and these has to be multiplied, and after multiplication, you will get the mass number of sulfur trioxide is 6.12 gram. So I'm just telling, if the equation is given, imagine this is the factory reality. This is the proven equation. Hey, what is a balanced equation? A balanced equation is a proven reality from the factory. Every equation in the chemistry has been established from the laboratory or from factory. Okay, so that must, from the given data of sulfuric acid, in this way, sulfur trioxide can be, the mass of sulfur trioxide can be found. Thank you.